Good day to all. Chapter 5 from 11th Standard Zoology Lesson 2019 and 20 book. Important points for TRB, TNPSC, UPSC, TET, CTET, for all the kind of exam including for 11th Standard. About 7 liters of digestive juice are poured into the alimentary canal and are reabsorbed each day. Human beings and many mammals form 2 sets of teeth during their lifetime. A set of 20 temporary milk teeth, deciduous teeth, which gets replaced by a set of 32 permanent teeth, adult teeth. In human dental formula is 2123 divided by 21T3. It is the longest part of the alimentary canal and has 3 regions. U-shaped duodenum 25 cm long, a long coiled middle portion jejunum 2.4 meter long and highly coiled ileum 3.5 meter long. Liver has high power of regeneration and liver cells are replaced by new ones every 3 to 4 weeks. Bicarbonates in the saliva make the pH 5.4 to 7.4. The mucus along with the bicarbonate ions from the pancreas provides an alkaline medium pH 7.8 for the enzymatic action. We obtain 50% energy from carbohydrates, 35% from fats and 15% from proteins. We require about 400 to 500 gram of carbohydrates, 60 to 70 gram of fats and 65 to 75 gram of proteins per day. The caloric value of carbohydrate is 4.1 calories per gram and its physiological fuel value is 4 kilocalories per gram. Fat has the caloric value of 9.45 kilocalories and the physiological fuel value of 9 kilocalories per gram. The caloric value and physiological fuel value of 1 gram of protein are 5.65 kilocalorie and 4 kilocalorie respectively. According to ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research and WHO, World Health Organization, the daily requirement of protein for an average Indian is 1 gram per 1 kilogram body weight. Duodenal ulcer occurs in people in the age group of 25 to 45 years. Gastric ulcer is more common in persons above the age of 50 years. A normal BMI range for adult is 19 to 25. Above 25 is considered as obese. Nobel Prize for the year 2005 was awarded to Robin Warren and Barry Marshall for the discovery of Helicobacter pylori, which causes peptic ulcer. Next, chapter 6 from 11th Standard Tamil Nadu State Board book. The synthesis of surfactants begins only after the 25th week of gestation. Tidal volume is the amount of air inspired or expired with each normal breath. It is approximately 500 ml. That is, a normal human adult can inspire or expire approximately 6,000 to 8,000 ml of air per minute. During vigorous exercise, the tidal volume is about 4 to 10 times higher. On average, a healthy human breathes 12 to 16 times per minute. Inspiratory reserve volume IRV. Additional volume of air a person can inspire by forceful inspiration is called inspiratory reserve volume. The normal value is 2500 to 3000 ml. Expiratory reserve volume ERV, additional volume of air a person can forcefully exhale by forceful expiration is called expiratory reserve volume. The normal value is 1000 to 1100 ml. Residual volume, the volume of air remaining in the lungs after a forceful expiration, it is approximately 1100 to 1200 ml. Normal TV equal to 500 ml. Normal respiratory rate equal to 12 times per minute. Therefore, minute respiratory volume equal to 6 liter per minute for a normal healthy man. As the solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than that of oxygen. The iron containing pigment portion heme constitutes only 4% and the rest colorless protein of the histone class globin. Hemoglobin has a molecular weight of 68,000 and contains 4 atoms of iron, each of which can combine with a molecule of oxygen. Oxygen is poorly soluble in water, so only 3% of the oxygen is transported in the dissolved form. 97% of oxygen binds with the hemoglobin in reversible manner to form oxyhemoglobin HbO2. This S-shaped curve has a steep slope for PO2 values, that is partial oxygen pressure between 10 and 50 mmHg mercury, and then flattens between 70 and 100 mmHg. Under normal physiological conditions, every 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver about 5 ml of oxygen to the tissues. Dissolved in the plasma, about 7 to 10% of carbon dioxide is transported in a dissolved form in the plasma. Bound to hemoglobin, about 20 to 25% of dissolved carbon dioxide is bound and carried in the red blood cells as carbaminohemoglobin HbCO2, CO2 plus HbCO2. As bicarbonate ions in plasma, about 70% of carbon dioxide is transported as bicarbonate ions. Every 100 ml of deoxygenated blood delivers 4 ml of carbon dioxide to the alveoli for elimination. Particulate matter PM 2.5 in the air is increasing day by day, which causes respiratory illness. Research says about 80% of the lung cancer is due to cigarette smoking. The World TB Day, Tuberculosis Day, is March 24. Direct observation therapy DOTs can treat about 95% of the TB patients. The surface area of the lungs is roughly the same size as a tennis court, 525 feet long. The highest recorded sneeze speed is 165 km per hour. Adults breathe around 12 to 16 times per minute, whereas newborns breathe around 30 to 60 times per minute. Most people can hold their breath between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Chapter 7. The plasma constitutes 55% of the total blood volume. The remaining 45% is the formed elements that consist of blood cells. The average blood volume is about 5000 ml, 5 liter in an adult weighing 70 kg. Plasma mainly consists of water, 80 to 92%, in which the plasma proteins, inorganic constituents 0.9%, organic constituents 0.1%, and respiratory gases are dissolved. There are about 5 million to 5.5 million of red blood cells millimeter square. Next one. The blood in a healthy man and 4.5 to 5.0 millions of red blood cells millimeter square. In a healthy woman, the red blood cells are very small with the diameter of about 7 micrometer. The average lifespan of red blood cell in a healthy individual is about 120 days, after which they are destroyed in the spleen. Graveyard symmetry of red blood cells and the iron component returns to the bone marrow for reuse. White blood cells, leukocytes, are colorless, amoeboid, nucleated cells, devoid of hemoglobin and other pigments. Approximately 6,000 to 8,000 per cubic millimeter of red blood cells are seen in the blood of an average healthy individual. Neutrophils are also called heterophils or polymorphonuclear cells with 3 to 4 lobes of nucleus connected with delicate threads. Cells which constitute about 60% to 65% of the total white blood cells. Eosinophils have distinctly bilobed nucleus and the lobes are joined by thin strands. They are non-phagocytic and constitute about 2 to 3% of the total white blood cells. Basophils are less numerous than any other type of white blood cells, constituting 0.5% to 1% of the total number of leukocytes. Monocytes, macrophages, are phagocytic cells that are similar to mast cells and have kidney-shaped nucleus. They constitute 1 to 3% of the total white blood cells. Platelets are also called thrombocytes that are produced from megakaryocytes, special cells in bone marrow and lack nuclei. Blood normally contains 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 platelets millimeter of blood. The largest artery, the aorta, 2.5 cm in diameter and 2 mm thick, branch into smaller arteries and culminates into the arterioles as feed arteries. As blood enters an arteriole, it may have a pressure of 85 mm Hg, 11.3 kPa, that is kilopascal, but as it leaves and flows into the capillary, the pressure drops to 35 mmHg, 4.7 kPa. Note, 1 mmHg equal to 0.13 kPa. SI unit of mmHg is kilopascal kPa. The structure of the heart was described by Raymond D. Wiesens in 1706. Contraction of both atria lasts for around 0.8 to 1.0 second. It is the onset of P wave to the onset of QRS complex. This is from the start of depolarization of the atria to the beginning of ventricular depolarization. It is the time taken for the impulse to travel from the atria to the ventricles, 0.12 to 0.21 second. The normal QRS complex lasts for 0.06 to 0.09 second. The ST segment lasts for 0.09 second. Circulation of the blood was first described by William Harvey in 1628. Hypertension is the most common circulatory disease. The normal blood pressure in man is 120 divided by 80 mmHg. In cases when the diastolic pressure exceeds 90 mmHg and the systolic pressure exceeds 150 mmHg persistently, the condition is called hypertension. Rheumatic fever is an autoimmune disease which occurs 2 to 4 weeks after throat infection, usually a streptococcal infection. 1956, James Lamb and Peter Schafer were the first to use mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. CPR must be performed within 4 to 6 minutes after cessation of breath to prevent brain damage or death. Next, Class 11 Biogeology Volume 2 2019 to 2020 book. Important 1 mark. Important points we are going to see. Now Chapter 8. Earliest animal life forms arose around 700 million years ago. The average bladder holds between 300 ml and 600 ml of urine. If the urinary system is healthy, urine may stay in the bladder for up to about 5 hours before excretion. Depending on the amount of liquid consumed, glomerular hydrostatic pressure, which is around 55 mmHg, kidneys produce about 180 liter of glomerular filtrate in 24 hours. The molecules such as water, glucose, amino acids, and nitrogenous substances pass freely from the blood into the glomerulus. Molecules larger than 5 nanometer are barred from entering the tubule. The glomerular blood pressure, approximately 55 mmHg, is much higher than in other capillary beds. Colloidal osmotic pressure 30 mmHg and the capsular hydrostatic pressure 50 mmHg due to the fluids in the glomerular capsule. The net filtration pressure of 10 mmHg is responsible for the renal filtration. Net filtration pressure 55 mmHg to 30 mmHg, 115 mmHg, 10 mmHg. The effective glomerular pressure of 10 mmHg results in ultrafiltration. Glomerular filtration rate GFR is the volume of filtrate formed minutes 21 in all nephrons glomerulus of both the kidneys. In the adults, the GFR is approximately 120 to 125 ml per minute. The volume of filtrate formed per day is around 170 to 180 liter and the urine released is around 1.5 liter per day. That is nearly 99% of the glomerular filtrate that has to be reabsorbed by the renal tubules as it contains certain substances needed by the body. An adult human on an average excretes 1 to 1.5 liter of urine per day. The urine formed is a yellow colored watery fluid which is slightly acidic in nature. pH 6.0 changes in the diet may cause pH to vary between 4.5 to 8.0 and has a characteristic odor. On an average, 25 to 30 grams of urea is excreted per day. Our lungs remove large quantities of carbon dioxide, 18 liters per day, and significant quantities of water every day. Normal urea level in human blood is about 17 to 30 milligram per 100 ml of blood. The world's first successful human kidney transplantation was performed from one twins to another by Joseph E. Murray and his colleagues at Peter Bent Brigham Hospital, Boston in 1954. The first ever human kidney transplant performed in India was done at the King Edward Memorial Hospital at Mumbai in May 1965. The first successful live donor kidney transplant in India was done at Christian Medical College Hospital, Vellore in January 1971 by Dr. Johnny and Dr. Mohan Rao. Thank you for viewing my video and please subscribe my channel and you can comment and share. Thank you. I have worked hard to prepare this one. Please give your support.